Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Logitech G29 with PlayStation. To do this, first we'll need to grab our wheel and then on the back of it or underneath there's a plug that we can connect our pedals into this plug right there. And then a gear stick, if you have one, you can connect right here. I have only pedals, so I'm gonna connect them like this. We can grab a cable and just stick it in there. Okay, so the cable is connected, and I also recommend to put your wheel somewhere stable, because it will start spinning when you power on your PlayStation and it may fall down, so just place it somewhere safe. Next thing is a power cable, and it looks like this from the connection side to our wheel, so we need to grab it again. And next to our pedals plug right here there's a power port, so we're just gonna plug it in. Okay, then we can grab the cable and connect it to the power source. So my wheel is now connected, and the last thing we need to do is just connect the USB cable coming from the wheel to our PlayStation, and when it's connected we can power on our PS. And right after you start your PlayStation and your wheel spins, that means you've connected it properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.